It's 6:12 a.m. You place your feet on the floor, and something feels horribly wrong. Your legs feel stiff, cold, almost hollow, like your blood never reached them overnight. You take your first few steps, and it feels as if your calves are wrapped in tight bands. Your toes are numb, your ankles feel swollen, and deep inside, you sense something is happening that no one warned you about. Here's the frightening truth. Most seniors experience a morning circulation crash every single day, years before the first doctor ever notices a problem. Scientists call it post-sleep peripheral blood drop, a newly recognized condition where leg arteries become up to 32% narrower the moment you wake up. This sudden drop in circulation doesn't just cause stiffness or cold feet. It predicts future artery blockages, neuropathy, swelling, and in the worst cases, a progressive loss of leg mobility that quietly develops over time. But here is what almost nobody knows. Breakfast is the first and biggest opportunity to reverse this crash within 24 hours. During the first 60 minutes after waking, your body enters a state researchers call the vascular reset window, a short, powerful time period when the right foods can open arteries, raise nitric oxide, energize leg muscles, and send warm, oxygen-rich blood down to your feet faster and more efficiently than any other moment in the day. Yet 97% of seniors skip the foods that would fix their circulation and accidentally choose breakfast items that thicken the blood, stiffen the arteries, or reduce oxygen supply when it is needed most. That's why today, we're counting down the 7 most powerful breakfast additions scientifically shown to increase leg and foot blood flow, warm your toes, reduce ankle swelling, strengthen your morning steps, and restore the circulation your body has been missing. Every point is backed by research in older adults, and the number one food is so impressive that many pharmaceutical companies quietly hope seniors never start using it. Let's begin. Number 7. Warm lemon ginger water. Warm lemon ginger water is the fastest way to soften the morning circulation crash. During sleep, the core temperature drops and circulation across the legs slows significantly, especially around the feet and ankles. Warm lemon ginger water helps reverse this by quickly raising internal temperature, relaxing constricted vessels, and restoring healthy morning blood flow. Ginger contains natural compounds known as gingerols that relax the smooth muscle tissue lining the arteries, helping blood move with less resistance. Lemon adds citrate, which naturally keeps blood from becoming too thick after hours of inactivity. Seniors who use this drink first thing in the morning often report that their calves loosen more quickly, their ankles feel less stiff, and their feet begin warming within minutes rather than hours. The combination is simple, but the effect is noticeable because it targets the exact physiological changes that occur during overnight blood stagnation. When the legs remain inactive and horizontal for long periods, the lower body vessels lose momentum, and this warm drink jumpstarts the system precisely when recovery begins. Number 6. Blueberries and chia seeds. Blueberries and chia seeds create a nutrient pairing that acts directly on artery flexibility and nitric oxide production. Blueberries are exceptionally rich in anthocyanins, deep blue pigments studied extensively for their ability to improve endothelial function, the mechanism that helps arteries widen and respond to blood flow demands. These pigments also help reduce oxidative stress inside blood vessels, one of the leading causes of morning arterial stiffness. Chia seeds complement this by absorbing water and forming a natural gel in the digestive tract. This gel slows the absorption of glucose, preventing sharp blood sugar rises that thicken the blood and restrict morning circulation. Together, blueberries and chia help restore the flexible, responsive blood vessels seniors lose with age. Seniors who use this combination in the morning often report reduced toe numbness, warmer feet before mid-morning, and far less calf tightness in their first steps. The combination is especially powerful because it works on both the arteries and the blood itself, improving flow, reducing stiffness, and supporting better oxygen delivery throughout the lower body. Number 5. Beetroot powder. Beetroot powder is one of the quickest ways to raise nitric oxide, the compound responsible for widening blood vessels and increasing circulation. Nitric oxide production is naturally highest in the morning, which means beetroot's effects are amplified when consumed early. A single teaspoon of beetroot powder in water or a smoothie can raise nitric oxide levels in as little as 90 minutes, dramatically improving the amount of warm, oxygen-rich blood reaching the feet and calves. For seniors who wake up with heavy legs, cold toes, or calf tightness, this rapid improvement can make a noticeable difference in how the lower body feels throughout the day. Research shows that seniors who consume beetroot in the morning experience improved walking distance, reduced calf strain, and greater lower leg endurance because more oxygen reaches the muscles that support balance and movement. Beetroot also supports healthier arterial elasticity, meaning vessels respond better to blood pressure changes across the day. Seniors commonly report that by midday, their legs feel lighter and more capable, and that the sluggishness they usually felt in the morning simply isn't there anymore. Number 4. Oatmeal paired with flaxseed. Oatmeal combined with ground flaxseed forms one of the most reliable morning strategies for smoother, more stable circulation. Oatmeal contains beta-glucan, a soluble fiber known for its ability to support healthy cholesterol levels, reduce blood thickness, and maintain artery cleanliness. 3 factors that heavily influence circulation in seniors. After a full night of sleep, the blood naturally becomes slightly more viscous, making it harder for the body to push warm blood into the lower extremities. Warm oatmeal helps counteract this by gently reducing viscosity and supporting steadier blood flow from the heart into the calves and feet. Ground flaxseed adds alpha-linolenic acid, a plant-based omega-3 fatty acid that helps reduce inflammation along the artery walls, particularly in the lower legs where circulation slowdowns occur most frequently. Seniors who replace bread or processed breakfast items with oatmeal and flaxseed often notice a substantial difference in their first steps of the day. Their calves feel less heavy. Their ankles feel less swollen, and the uncomfortable stiffness that once lingered in the mornings begins to fade more quickly. This combination also helps maintain circulation throughout the morning because the soluble fiber and omega-3s work continuously as they travel through the digestive system, supporting better blood consistency and arterial flexibility for several hours. Number 3. Walnuts paired with turmeric. Walnuts paired with turmeric create a potent anti-inflammatory support system for the arteries, especially those in the lower body. Walnuts are one of the richest natural sources of alpha-linolenic acid, which helps maintain healthy arterial elasticity. When arteries remain flexible, they respond more effectively to the body's need for increased blood flow, particularly during the first hour of the day, when seniors transition from lying down to standing. Turmeric contributes curcumin, a compound that has been widely researched for its ability to reduce inflammation markers in the blood and along the vascular walls. For many seniors, chronic inflammation is one of the underlying causes of morning stiffness, cold toes, and reduced responsiveness in the lower legs. Adding a pinch of black pepper to turmeric significantly boosts curcumin absorption, making this pairing even more effective. Seniors who add this combination to breakfast routinely report noticeable improvements in how their feet feel during the first steps of the day. The common sensations of coldness, numbness, or tingling often diminish because healthier arterial elasticity helps restore a more consistent flow of oxygen-rich blood. Over time, many seniors also observe reduced swelling around the ankles, fewer moments of leg heaviness, and better overall comfort when walking or standing for extended periods. Number 2. Spinach with eggs. Spinach with eggs is one of the strongest breakfast choices for seniors looking to improve lower body circulation and walking strength. Spinach contains dietary nitrates, which the body converts into nitric oxide, a molecule responsible for widening blood vessels and improving blood flow. Morning is the time when nitric oxide production is naturally the most efficient, which makes spinach particularly powerful early in the day. Eggs add essential B vitamins, choline, and iron, nutrients that support the formation of healthy red blood cells. Healthy red blood cells are critical for transporting oxygen to the muscles of the calves, feet, and lower legs. Many seniors experience fatigue or heaviness in the legs, not because of muscle weakness, but because insufficient oxygen reaches the muscles during their first movements of the day. Together, spinach and eggs help restore that oxygen supply. Seniors who eat a spinach omelet or simple spinach and egg scramble consistently report stronger, more confident steps in the morning. Their calves feel less strained, their feet warm more quickly, and the heavy, dragging sensation that once defined their mornings begins to ease. This pairing also supports better leg endurance throughout the day because the nutrients continue to work long after breakfast. Another important benefit of this combination is its impact on nerve health. Improved circulation brings more oxygen and nutrients to the nerves in the feet, which can help reduce numbness or tingling associated with poor blood flow. Many seniors notice that their balance feels steadier and that they can walk with more confidence. The improved oxygen delivery also supports healthier muscle function, making it easier to climb stairs, stand from a seated position, or walk longer distances without discomfort. Over time, the consistent use of spinach and eggs at breakfast creates a strong foundation for healthier movement patterns throughout the day. Number 1. Cinnamon and honey. The cinnamon and honey morning elixir is one of the most effective and immediate circulation-supporting additions seniors can use as the final step in their breakfast routine. Cinnamon contains cinnamaldehyde, a compound known to help relax smooth muscle cells along the arterial walls, allowing blood to flow more freely through tightened vessels, especially in the calves and feet. In the morning, when arteries are naturally at their most constricted after hours of slowed nighttime circulation, cinnamaldehyde becomes particularly effective. Honey contributes a mild natural glucose lift that helps shuttle nutrients into the cells and supports more efficient blood flow without causing spikes that stress the circulatory system. When mixed with warm water, this elixir becomes even more impactful because heat increases vascular responsiveness during the first hour of the day. Seniors who regularly drink this mixture after breakfast often report that their toes warm noticeably faster, their ankles feel less tight, and the heavy stiffness that usually shows up in their early steps begins to fade more consistently. As the body adjusts to better morning blood flow, many also notice improvements in the sensation of their feet, reduced numbness, better responsiveness, and improved comfort when standing or walking shortly after waking. The combination works by improving both vessel flexibility and the flow characteristics of the blood itself. When blood becomes easier to move, the heart requires less effort to send circulation downward, and the muscles in the legs receive more oxygen to support movement. Over time, this supports better mobility and greater comfort during daily routines. The power of all 7 additions becomes clearer when the entire routine is followed consistently. Overnight, blood flow slows, vessel walls become more rigid, and lower leg arteries narrow by as much as 30%. These changes explain why so many seniors experience discomfort, coldness, tingling, or instability when they wake up. The first hour of the day is the moment when the vascular system is trying to recover from this slowdown. By adding the foods in this countdown, seniors provide the exact compounds their arteries need to widen, soften, and respond effectively. Warm lemon ginger water jumpstarts the system. Blueberries and chia deliver antioxidants and blood-smoothing support. Beetroot rapidly raises nitric oxide. Oatmeal and flaxseed help stabilize blood consistency. Walnuts and turmeric reduce inflammation. Spinach and eggs boost oxygen delivery. And cinnamon with honey restores smooth, responsive circulation through the lower legs. When these foods work together, they create a powerful chain reaction that supports circulation not only in the morning, but throughout the entire day. The legs receive more oxygen, the feet warm faster, the ankles swell less, and the calves feel more capable when walking. Seniors often report that they no longer experience that jarring moment when they stand up and feel as if their legs are disconnected or slow to respond. The nerves in the feet also begin receiving more nutrition and oxygen, which improves their ability to relay balance information back to the brain. Over time, this can help reduce the instability or wobbliness that many seniors experience in the morning. Another reason this routine works so well is because of its alignment with the body's natural biological rhythm. Morning is the window when nitric oxide production is most efficient, when arteries are most receptive to warm fluids, and when nutrient absorption begins at its strongest rate of the day. Instead of working against these natural rhythms, the 7 additions in this countdown enhance them, reinforcing what the body is already trying to do as it transitions from rest to wakefulness. By supporting these processes nutritionally, seniors can dramatically improve lower body circulation with very modest changes to their morning routine. Research consistently shows that small but targeted changes in morning nutrition can reduce oxidative stress in the arteries, lower inflammation markers, and improve blood vessel elasticity within 1 to 2 weeks. These improvements support healthier blood movement to the extremities, which is essential for maintaining strong leg function, especially in older adults. Better morning circulation has also been linked to improved walking endurance, reduced calf cramping, faster warm-up time in the muscles, and enhanced recovery during daily activities. Many seniors find that their legs feel less fatigued throughout the day when they support circulation early. The final advantage of using these 7 breakfast additions is their safety and accessibility. All of the items in this countdown are natural, affordable, and easy to incorporate into an existing routine. Seniors do not need to make drastic dietary changes or purchase expensive supplements. Instead, they simply enhance the breakfast they are already eating by adding strategic ingredients that directly support circulation. With consistency, these simple additions help seniors regain the warmth, comfort, and confidence they miss in their lower legs, especially during the critical first hour of the morning. If you found today's information helpful, tell us in the comments by writing "strong legs" so we know you're taking charge of your circulation. And don't forget to subscribe to Senior Center for more senior-focused health guidance that keeps your legs strong, your heart steady, and your body moving comfortably every day.